In this video, I'll show you how to add, resize, and delete columns in Notion. So, to get started, go ahead and open your preferred browser and then search for notion.com. Now, once you're on Notion, go ahead and head over into that specific board where you want to add, delete, and resize columns. So, you'll be able to find that in the left side of your screen. Now, in here, go ahead and scroll down into that section. Now, once you're on that section, let's start with how you can add columns into this table. So to be able to add columns, you'll need to go ahead and hover your mouse into the right side of the table. And then once you click on that plus button at the right side of your table, you'll be able to add another column into your table. Now to delete columns, you need to go ahead and click on the column that you want to delete, and then you'll be able to find this delete button in this drop down. So simply click on this delete button to delete the column that you prefer to delete. So now we'll show you how you can actually resize columns. So to do that, you just need to click on the bottom right of your table and you'll be able to make your table bigger or shorter. So that is how you can basically add, delete, and resize columns on Notion. You can actually also do this with commands by typing /column to add columns to your table, and that's basically it. With just a few clicks, you've got full control over your Notion layout. Want more tips like this? Hit subscribe and don't forget to give this video a like if this video was helpful.